Okay, so this is number 13 on your polynomial quiz review, where we need to write the polynomial function of minimum degree in standard form given all of these zeros. So the first thing I'm going to do is list all of my zeros with an x equals, because then we can work backwards to figure out what their factors will be. So I'll start with the x equals -2. If I work backwards and add 2 to both sides, I have x plus 2 equals 0. That means x plus 2 is my factor. My second zero, x is equal to 0. That we don't have to do anything to just yet. And my third zero, x is equal to 3. We'll subtract 3 from both sides to get x minus 3 is equal to 0. But we do have one key point that 0 has a multiplicity of 2. So that means that it's raised to the second power. So at the 0 of 0, that is raised to the second power. So let's write these all in our factored form. So our x squared will go out front, then x minus 2, then x minus 3, and set that whole equation equal to 0. I'm going to start by multiplying x plus 2 times x minus 3. X times x is x squared minus 3x plus 2x minus 6. Put that in parentheses with the x squared out front. So now I'll combine these like terms before I multiply through by x squared. X squared times x squared is x to the fourth. X squared times negative x is negative x cubed. And x squared times negative 6 is negative 6x squared. And set that equal to 0. So that means that this is actually our polynomial function in standard form. So I'm just going to write it with an f of x notation, and we are done.